How to recover Snapchat account if you did have access to its recovery email or phone number. It's actually very easy to do that. To recover your Snapchat account without email and phone number, you cannot do it here on Snapchat app. We need to use a browser. So let's close Snapchat app and open any browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you want. Here, you need to type support.snapchat.com. We are going to contact Snapchat support to help us recover our Snapchat account. Here, just scroll down and find Contact Us. Here it is. Click on it. Now we need to scroll down a little bit and select a topic. Select I can't access my account since we cannot log into our Snapchat account. Then scroll down again to still need help and click on I forgot my password. Here, scroll down again and under still need help, click on contact Snapchat support. We are now going to contact Snapchat. Just leave it here as I forgot my password. Scroll down and just skip this. Here you need to type the username of the Snapchat account that you are going to recover. On the email, it's recommended to type the one that is associated with our Snapchat account, but since we no longer have access to it, we can use any active email. Snapchat will use this email to contact you regarding the recovery. And also, if you did have access to the phone number of your Snapchat account, you can use any. Here, you need to explain to them what happened to your Snapchat account. Once all are done, we can now click on Submit. Snapchat team will contact you through email about the next step of the recovery of your Snapchat account. So don't forget to check your email inbox.